Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into this video or review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case. This time I decided to pick up the Spigen Enzo Aramid fiber case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Yes, I was looking on Amazon again and decided to pick up some more cases, and this is one of them. I have used the Enzo on other devices and I really like the design. It seems like y'all really do too, so decided to pick it up for my Pixel 9 Pro XL. You can get this from Amazon. I'll add the links in the description. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? The overall fit? Do you get camera and lip protection? How are the buttons? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. Hey, nice presentation from Spigen. Pretty much the same. It says made for the Google Pixel up there. But here is the case. Bam. It's an Aramid case for the Pixel. Aero card design there. It has like this felt material. It's very hard. You can see the Aramid fiber design there. The little Spigen logo. I love the volume rockers and the power button there. It kind of matches the rim of the camera bump there. Let's see how this thing fits. Okay, nice and snug. So first thing, you do get some lip protection at the top and the bottom there. You also get some camera protection. It does pop up a little bit. Everything lines up at the bottom there. The microphone at the top. The power button is nice and tactile. Volume rockers are nice and easy to press. So no problems with the buttons there. And look, it doesn't add bulk to your phone at all. I mean, you can see not a bulky case from either side. Overall fit is pretty good. Not bad. And trying to get it out of the case, yeah, look. Trying to get the phone out takes some work, which is good because you don't want your phone just to be popping out the case if you drop it. So the fit is really good. Now, the only thing I wish is that they had some like grip material on the sides, because that is a little slippery on the sides of it. So some type of design there would be great, because even the back with this design on it, the Aramid fiber design, it's kind of slippery too. Which I like that camera cutout though. Let's check out how can your wireless charge. I don't think you'll have a problem. Yes, you can wireless charge without any problems there. It does not have a magnet, so it's not MagSafe. See? But you can wireless charge. I didn't think you would have a problem. A lot of these cases these days, you don't have problems with wireless charging at all. And that's the same with this case too. So it checks off a lot of boxes. You get camera protection. You also get lip protection at the top and the bottom. The power button and the volume rockers feel great. Everything lines up at the bottom. The fit is really good all the way around. The only complaint I have, I wish it would have a little bit more grip on the sides. But besides that, it checks off a lot of boxes. Again, if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.